चलो कल्याणी जी जल्दी
अभी खोल सब ओपन करके देखो क्या है। हेलो अगम धीरे धीरे गौरव
किन्नू देना भाई
आपकी कौन सी बोतल मैडम? कौन सी है आपकी?
खोल लेंगे सेम लाइट ఇదేనా
ఇది మంచి లైటింగ్ ప్లేస్ పెట్టలేదు లైటింగ్ ప్లేస్ పెట్టలేదు
इसके बाद बाकी सब कौन सा बच्चा रह गया है?
రాంబాబు ఇది కూర్చో ఇది కూర్చోయా
ఓకే గుడ్ ఐడియా
ఓకే డన్
హాయ్ మీరు హాయ్ చెప్పండి వదలండి This guy has taken 2 photos when he is walking.
Okay, silence. Okay, come on. Piyush. Piyush. Okay, thanks. Thanks, yeah. Okay, come on, good.
सारे आ जाओ।
This one is really
मैंने बोला था ना सरप्राइज।
अभी मैं स्पीच में लगाने वाली हूँ घर पे। Can you please?
సైడ్
Okay, guys. Everyone, thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you for everything.
So this one, it's a great year again. So 2014, right? Was thinking more sound on 2015. Already in 2015. Already in 2015. So it's into 2014, and whatever you guys have contributed, right? Like it is something more. It's remarkable. And few have got some appreciations, and few have not gotten appreciations or something which is not degrading anything as such, right? So please continue with this going forward, and I would like to tell a story based upon this. Right? If everyone is silent. are not going to be silent. Have to be louder. So maybe most of them is also aware of this. So one person gone to God one day and asked, "Hey God, I'm getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning and coming at 10 o'clock in the night. I'm doing a lot of things. I'm jogging and doing a lot of things, but I've not got anything and." I've got anything.
2 minutes. Join fast.
We'll do that.
जा रहे हैं अभी मिलेगा.
Let him complete. So I've not got anything. What you say, like an appreciation or anything as such. So what needs to be done? Like, so God has told, okay. So even I do have something similar case, something to this. So I used to keep a small stem into it in the soil, and for the first year there is nothing in it, and for the second year it's just a tiny sprout emerged from it, and for the third year, okay, to an extent, right? And for the fourth year you see like it is just emerged like anything, right? So all these years it has been spending it is just growing on the roots, right? It was that particular thing is a bamboo, and God has told like it is bamboo that I named it, and it was growing all through these 3 years or 4 years. It was growing on the roots, right? So it is basically just in that particular aspect. So whatever you are doing it, right? So it is not getting it into it today. It's for the appreciation. It is for the tomorrow. It may happen next minute, next hour. So let's okay. So let's keep up this momentum going for 2050. Okay. Thanks for all of you contributing towards it. And I'm proud to be in this particular team. And yep. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gurpreet. Thank you, one request.
And
We don't want to go to S4.
Subin also.
Yeah, even we don't want to go to S4.
Darshan,
No, that's a
Subin
different
and
thanks which I'll be giving.
Okay, it's very much important whether you're shifting there to S4 or not to S4, right? The ultimate aim is to bring our development team and the testing team together.
What about IT finance? Oh, ठीक है. IT finance, listen. That will discuss later. Let Gautam. We also, but our team is there only, right? We also don't want to go. Our team is there. सारी वीडियो शेयर करना है. Why do we need? हाँ. सारी वीडियो शेयर करना है.
वो पहले खत्म तो
First thing, I would like to give a big hand to Gurpreet. And Darshan also. Darshan.
Are you sure you want to give a big hand?
Definitely. One more for Darshan. Effort which has gone into this is a mammoth effort, which we might not even understand how much of effort would have gone into it. So you have done a very good job, and I think everybody has enjoyed because of that. So let's have more events like this. Yeah, finally we had, like, we were planning this
For nearly 6 months, right?
July or August.
You can tell them about the first plan.
So let me decide the place next time, please.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Okay, the first plan of having a family outing was in the month of June, and June is like almost 6 months back. Darshan can talk about it, but it's really a very big effort which has gone in from Gurpreet. She has literally hounded us. She has created a WhatsApp group for us, where we discuss this. So big round of applause for her. Okay, this is bad. In credits, you never have work in December, but we have had work in December.
And I used to chase them like anything.
But Darshan has still given that efforts in the month of December. I cannot, which she has given. So big round of applause for Darshan as well. And also we had support of Daya and Gautam. You know, they've always been with us since we want a family outing, since the month of 1947. Yeah. You can put it as 1947. It's been since quite some time. You know, because the basic agenda of having this event is you get to know us as we actually are. You know, in the office it's all Hyperion or .NET or Java or SQL, but here, no testing. Who's the testing? No testing. So one testing is not. But the agenda is you get to know us for what we really are. You know, we are pretty laid back. I'm pretty lazy in my real life, but that's a different story. And I really thank all of you for taking this time out. I give it over to Gautam.
I don't want to take so long. Everybody is open and
Guys, I'm not a part of your team. I'll just like to put into if you guys don't mind. She's a lovely wife, you know. She's like married to a devil, I know that. And being a marketing guy, you know, I have a habit of speaking a lot. She was married to a devil, you know, but yeah, in the last assignment I won't take the names and all, but she was not very happy, you know. But Dayakarji, I'll tell you one thing. She was with you, she came out, and then she said no. I go to the project minister. Dayakarji is leading. That's a success. I salute you for that. That's a managerial skill, guys. That needs an applause, you know. A person going out and then saying, you know, she used to talk to me every day. No, I was very comfortable working with this guy. You know? Then she spoke about you also. You know? She's very happy working with you guys. She's very comfortable. Thank you for all that. Because it's you guys who's making her so comfortable, and my life is, you know. Special thanks to Anil. She always mentions you are a great counselor for her. Thank you for that. I thank all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Gifts for me, children.
अभी children का खत्म हुआ
हमारा
क्या हो गया अभी कोई फोटोग्राफ नहीं है अभी बस everybody
This is a moment of everyone for
यार ना मेरे को ये कस्टमर सबको जवाब लगा
వీడియోనా
వీడియో నాకు కూడా తీసుకుందామే मैं गिफ्ट
फैमिली आई नहीं है मैं उनके बिहाफ पे आपकी फैमिली होने वाली है मेरी होने वाली है उसके लिए देता हूं
Who else is left? Everybody got?
Everybody got it?
Yes.
Has everybody got?
आपको पता मेरी फैमिली आप को बात नहीं करते
Yes, everybody.
गिफ्ट नहीं मिला।
मेरा गिफ्ट कपल गिफ्ट
అన్ని గిఫ్ట్ ఒకటేనా అదే అది కప్పు అది
ఏ బయట బా బయట బా ఏ బయట బా
విన్నింగ్ గో గ్రీన్ It's a ball, right?
नो 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 क्या
Couple gift.
कपल का वो फ्रेम है, उनको बोलना यहीं पे ओपन करे वो में आ भी ला लो जाओ जाओ ना हम तोड़ता तेरे तो ज्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव बच्चा ना मैं दुनिया से देखता हूँ तोड़ भी देता हूँ
This is the one, right?
हाँ पौधी हाँ जी ये दे दो, ये आप ले लो।
ठीक है मजा आ गया पहले आ गया ऊपर मजा तो ऊपर आ गया ना ना आया मैं बीच में नहीं बकरी है
Sibin, tell to Gautam that there is a gift for runners up also, but we'll give it enough. बता
Okay, 1 second. This is the last date for the night. Couple who actually stayed. Never expected you to run so fast. So Ajinkya and his wife. Yeah, take a photo. आप इधर आ जाइए, फोटो ले रहे हैं। बलून पकड़ो। ले लो। चलो कोई तो डन है या डन ओके ग्रेट अच्छा लगता है रात में प्रैक्टिस किया बहुत सारा गेम खेलने का आज नहीं निकलता सच्ची जो फिर दिन में होता है बहुत गेम है लेकिन मेरा किसको दिया There is a prize for runners up as well. अरे मेरा सामान
फिर तो रख दे मेरे मैं रख दे नाली जाऊंगा नाली आ गया
need a group photo.
तू तो 12 छोड़ के भागी थी मैं ही जाता
Hey, let's stand this way.
12 और मुझे दोनों जोड़ा भागी आया मैं
मेरे को पूरे इवेंट में डर नहीं लगा। कपल्स में सोचा आराम से चल के आएंगे, सारे भाग गए। मैं बोला मैं जज हूँ, मैं भी पीछे
भागना पड़ेगा भाई कहाँ जा रही है
हाँ भाई कपल
ओ भाई वो कर तो रहे हैं टीम फोटो
We love someone to take a photograph. लॉकर की बैग लेके आना क्या हुआ अरे वही
अरे पूरी शादी भी बना देंगे सारे
बैटरी बैकअप
₹10,000 करो
हम लोग की बातें रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, बात में समझ लेना।